Hello and welcome to Cairo. I'm treating you to a night on the metro. We're going to check out line 2. We've got about 4 or 5 stops to go. That's where we are, and that's where we're going to go.
One ticket,
Yeah.
£6.
6? Well, it's gone up since they wrote that on website about it being £5. It's £6 now, so what's that? It's still about 15p. Oh, how are we going to get into this fun palace then? Oh, in there. There? Oh. My man, thank you. Well, there's 2 lines at this station, but I haven't checked to see if we're going on the right one. Right, well, thinking about it, all this is all green, so maybe this could be the wrong line. Oh, that's where I'm going. Docky.
What's your name?
Luke.
Luke?
Yeah. Oh, nice. I like trains, so I'm coming on the train. When were the train invented? When were this built?
It's like rotation.
Yeah, when was it built? When did it open?
Yeah.
Oh, that started making a noise. Must mean trains coming. Perfect, 5 stations in about 10 minutes. That were lovely. You see that guy reading Quran as well. If that's not authentic, I don't know what is. These tiles are nice, aren't they? See if I can get through these like a pro now. In that way. Don't come back out this time. Oh, it's windy when you first come up here. Right, let's see if we can get a little bit of something to eat then.